Good morning, boys and girls. I am here doing a math tutorial on two-digit addition with regrouping to help you remember the process. I noticed in today's or this week's packet, there was addition to 100, and I noticed some regrouping two-digit addition problems. So I wanted to go over the steps with you just so that you would recall how to do it. Most of you are doing an awesome job with this two-digit addition, but just a little refresher. So I used an online whiteboard application, so it was hard to write super neat, but I did my best. And here we go. So it's 59 plus 38. So I make sure I label my tens in my ones column, and I make sure that all of my numbers in the tens, the 5 and the 3, are right underneath each other, and the 9 and the 8 in the ones column are right underneath each other. Everything needs to be neat so that you can see what you're adding accurately, okay? Remember, we always start with the ones column. So the first two numbers we're going to add is 9 and 8. So we know that 9 and 8, we have too many ones already. We only can have 0 through 9, correct? So we have too many. So the first step is to draw the numbers. So we draw the 9 using the 10 frame model, 5 on the top, 4 on the bottom, and we draw the 8, 5 on the top, 3 on the bottom. Okay, and now we're going to make a group of 10 ones that we need to regroup as a 10. So we put them in a circle in a group, count 10, cross it out, and regroup our 10 ones as 110 in the 10 column, as you can see with my arrow. Then I'm going to count what's left over, and that will go in my ones column as my answer for 9 plus 8. So I counted 7 left over, so my 7 goes in the ones column. Now I go to the tens column and I add the three-digit numbers. The three numbers that are 5, 1, and 3. I add those together and I get 9. So my answer is 97. And I'm going to flip to the next screen because I wanted to share with you also the other strategy we were using, making a number bond. So again, 59 plus 38. I label my tens and my ones. I start with my 9 and my 8 in the ones column. I already know I have too many, so I'm going to need to regroup. I add 9 plus 8 using a number bond. It looks like a greater than sign, but it's also called a number bond. So I put 9, the big number in my head, 9, and I count on with 8 on my fingers, and I get 17. So I write the 17 to the right of my problem, and I label the tens and the ones in the 17. So 17 has 1 10 and 7 ones. So I put my 7 in the ones column. That's my answer there underneath the 9 and the 8. And then I regroup my 10, my little arrow shows you, into the tens column, my 110. So I add my three digits, 1, 5, and 3, and I get 9. I hope this helps you recall how we did two-digit addition with regrouping. If you have any questions, let me know via Dojo. And I'm hoping to use this to help with math in the future. It seems like it's a good way for you guys to see it, and then you can hear my voice also. I hope you have a great Earth Day, and I'll talk to you all soon. Lots of love.